Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Max, and today I'm in Florida. I missed school so I got out of school on Tuesday a little bit early to go here. So this video we're gonna be solving a Rubik's Cube 10 times. So let's get right into this. Bah! Okay, so as you can see, we got the Rubik's Cube here. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. And 10. So guys, that was the solving the 10 Rubik's Cubes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want more videos that are just random and entertaining, then why not put the bell on and subscribe, aka the post notifications, and share this video with your friends. Until then, peace.